Good day, class! Before we start our discussion for this week, narito ang paalala for the list of the lesson activities na dapat sa panahon na ito ay naipasa nyo na sa school or kaya naman online. Tignang mabuti! For the week 6 to 8 in arts education, which is entitled Explore and Create the Wonders of Southeast Asia, art has been flourished and prospered and has been part of Southeast Asian culture. In this module, you will be able to learn and familiarize more with the distinct characteristics of traditional arts in Southeast Asian countries. These arts were greatly influenced by their culture, traditions, religion, and even their history and reflected in their textiles, crafts and architecture, ceramics, sculpture, and leatherwork. The materials that are used in their art craft are abundant and common in their localities. Several countries in Southeast Asia like Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and others are known for the silk weaving, while batik is a common fabric design in some countries of Southeast Asian regions like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Brunei. On the other hand, Indonesia is known for its wayang kulit, a traditional shadow puppet play wherein the puppet is made of water buffalo skin and being manipulated by a puppeteer called dalang. Brunei is known for wearing SONGKOK, a cap worn by male Muslim in formal events such as weddings, funerals, and some festive occasions. MERLION is the iconic statue and the national symbol of the city in the state of Singapore. It is depicted as a mythical creature with a lion's head and a body of a fish. The traditional kite making comes naturally to Malaysian people and it is called wow kite, a unique designed Malaysian kite, and its wings are similar to the Arabic letter that pronounce wow. In this module, you will create a crafts known in Southeast Asia using the materials available in your home and surroundings for you to understand and appreciate the contribution of the Southeast Asian culture and arts. For your first activity, you will design your own SONGKOK. SONGKOK is a cap widely worn in Indonesia, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, the southern Philippines, and the southern Thailand, mostly among Muslim males in formal occasions such as wedding feasts, funerals, or festive occasions such as the Muslim Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adhas, also called pesi or kopya. Make a circular band, cut a rectangular shape, 3 inches in width and 20 inches in length. Fit the rectangular cardboard in your head and face both ends together. Number 2. Trace the circular or oval band into another cardboard to make the top of your cup. Number 3. Cut the oval shape about ½ inch away from the line. Number 4. Cut the remaining ½ inch from the edge of the line into strips and fold each strips upward. Number 5. You have to paste the folded upward strips of the oval shape into the circular band to form a cup. 6. After you form a cup, cover the cup with a white cloth or bond paper. Number 7. Sketch a design of your cup reflecting the elements of SONGKOK. Apply the colors of your cup in number 8. Number 9. Take a picture while wearing your own SONGKOK. Here is the rubrics on how are we going to give points in your work. We have the category, which is following directions, creativity, and workmanship, and the pattern. 1 point for poor, 2 points for fair, 3 points for good, and 4 points for excellent. Our second activity will be the puppet making, or also known as the wayang kulit. In Indonesia, primarily Java and Bali, shadow puppet plays are known as wayang kulit, Wayang is the Indonesian word for theater, and kulit means skin, referring to the buffalo leather used to make traditional puppets. In this activity, you will be needing the following materials: cardboard or empty box, scissors, pencil, single paper fastener, tape, hole punch, bamboo sticks or popsicle sticks, decorative elements such as crayons, markers, sequins, paint, glitters, etc. Here is the procedure on how to make the puppet. Number 1. Draw a character on a piece of cardstock and then cut it out. If you want the arms and legs to move, cut them separately from the puppet's body. Number 2. Draw your design on the puppet's body for detail and color the puppet as you wish. Number 3. Punch holes in the areas where you want to attach the puppet's arms and legs. Number 4. Attach the body parts using the puppet fasteners. Number 5. Add decorations to your puppet by attaching feathers, yarn, fabric, sequins, glitters, etc. with glue and tape, and then let it dry. Number 6. If you want, you can punch small holes in your puppet for light to shine through. Number 7. Attach your popsicle sticks to the puppet by taping the sticks on the moving body parts. Place another popsicle stick to the body part or the body of the puppet for support. Here's the rubrics on how we're going to give points to your work. So we will be having 1 point for poor, 2 points for fair, 3 points for good, and 4 for excellent. Good job, everyone. Now, let us discuss the week 6 of physical education, which is entitled Monitoring Progress Toward Fitness Goal. We are all in a wellness venture somehow. With life's chaotic timetable, it's anything but difficult to forget about where you are and where you need to respect your wellness. Especially now, we are facing a pandemic. That makes us all worry about our health. While a few people track each exercise, all additions, and all food expended in their wellness diary, others simply need to complete it and pass by how they feel. Here is the lesson activity for the week 6 of physical education. First activity, the volleyball passing skills. The objective will be, with the use of a monitoring chart, you will perform the different volleyball skills and record the result. Analyze the monitoring chart if there is a progress. Materials, volleyball ball, or any crumpled paper with the size of a volleyball ball. Procedure: together with your family member, execute a forearm pass alternately within 1 minute. After that, do the overhead pass or the toss for another 1 minute. Record the results using the monitoring tool and analyze your performance each day. After doing the activity, you have to answer the following questions. What physical fitness health components has been developed by performing the following exercises and why? How will you describe your performance for the past 5 days? Have you noticed progress? For the second activity or the activity 1.2, it is entitled Graph Your Progress. What you have to do is you have to analyze your performance through the graph. Your materials will be the monitoring sheet. Procedure: use your result in activity 1.1, place the score per day in each pass, color the respective box corresponds to your result. Example, if your score in bump pass is 23, color the box aligned to number 25. Same with the toss pass. Use red color per bump and blue color per the toss. After doing it, you have to answer the following question. And for our activity 1.3, which is entitled Do the Test Again, the objective is perform physical fitness tests again to assess their progress in their fitness goal. Your procedure will be you have to perform the following physical fitness tests again and record the result. After doing it again, you have to answer the guide questions, which are: do you notice any difference in the scores of the following tests? Give an example. Number 2, how do we perform zipper tests? And for our last activity for this week, you will have to compare your pre-test and post-test of your physical fitness test. Pre-test means ito yung unang time na ginawa ninyo yung physical fitness test sa taon na ito. While the post-test will be yung test na ginawa ninyo while answering or doing the lesson activities in week 6. That will be all for this week class. Thank you for listening and good job to all those students na makakapagpasa na agad ng kanilang lesson activities. See you next time!